Billed as one of the worst storms in UK history, Storm Eunice has made quite an impact, and celebs are reacting. Whether it's flyaway hair, drenched dogs or a mock-up Mary Poppins pic, the weather has caused quite a commotion in the world of showbiz. As winds reaching up to 122 miles per hour continue, we take a look at how Rylan, Kerry, Katona, Judy Love et al. Are all dealing with some of the country's worst weather ever. Rylan Clark struggles to get to work. Rylan, 33, has been a bit under the weather lately, but has made a welcome return to the BBC One show this week. However, as he made his way to the studio, he shared a mock-up pic of him as Mary Poppins flying over Broadcasting House in London with the caption, "Gonna be a fun journey to @BC Theone show this afternoon." His post went down a storm, quite literally, with his followers, with one fan writing, "Now that definitely is an idea for a film. Stay safe," followed by a heart emoji. Judy Love warning. Loose Women host Judy Love, 41, shared a hilarious windswept video of her ticking off Storm Eunice personally. Bundled up against the weather, wearing huge glasses and a brightly colored headband, she said, "Okay, Storm Eunice, you're taking this really far. You're knocking on people's door like you're looking for your man." As the wind could heard whipping up around her, Judy warned, "People, you need to stay in your yard because I've seen people's wigs, bins, jackets flying down the street." Judy also revealed her car had got licked by a branch, before captioning the video, "Storm Eunice. Stay safe. #Storm Eunice." Judy Love. Eunice is auditioning for the 2023 Wizard of Oz storm scene. Pickle Cottage trees uprooted over at Pickle Cottage. Storm Eunice wreaked havoc when the trees in the palatial pad's grounds were uprooted. Caught in the chaos, Joe Swash, 40, couldn't believe the strength of the wind as he told his 1.9 million followers on Insta stories, "What is happening? This wind is unbelievable. Look." He went on to show a large tree that had collapsed on the floor, branches torn, and continued, "We've already lost a tree. What's going on? This is madness." Stacey, 32, meanwhile, was out of town for work and shared a pic of her snuggled up with baby Rose Opal as May. Windswept Kerry. Katona. Former face of Iceland Kerry, 41, looked more than a little windswept as she arrived for Steph's packed lunch in Leeds today. Bundled up against the wind in a grey hoodie, jeans and trainers, the mum of five's hair was flying everywhere. However, despite bracing the elements, Kerry was still smiling as she was no doubt looking forward to getting into the warm studio with the chat show host. Frankie Bridge. Dog troubles in a celebrity. "Get me out of here." Star Frankie Bridge, 33, shared a pic of her poor old pooch in the howling wind and rain. As the gorgeous Maltese pup, called Turbo, shook out his fur, mum of two Frankie captioned the post, "Not sure if you've heard. It's a bit windy. #Storm Eunice." Turbo made his debut on Instagram last year, when the former Saturday's singer, who is married to ex-footballer Wayne Bridge, introduced her pet to her followers. Captioning the snaps of the impossibly cute puppy, she wrote, "Welcome to the world of Instagram, Turbo Bridge. He has completed our little family for a while now. And it was nice keeping him all to ourselves for a bit. But you guys deserve to experience the cuteness.